Hey folks, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to take a look at the Rockpals 250 watt portable generator, rechargeable lithium battery pack, solar generator with 110 volt AC outlet, 12 volt car outlet, USB output. It's an off-grid power supply for CPAP and a backup for camping and emergency purposes, and the solar panel is sold separately. This generator has a little over 1,500 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars. Very nice. Rockpals is a great brand and offers several other models too, with and without solar panels, so you can check those out on the listing as well. This 250 watt unit has 300 watt max surge and dual AC outputs, built-in 2 USB outlets, and 4 DC 12 volt outlets. It's perfect for emergency backup power for your home or travel, camping, charging your tablets, iPhone, iPad, laptop, fans, operating the TV, lights, and using for CPAP machines. And you can use the DC converter with your CPAP to get longer hours. The unit is compact at 8 by 4 by 6 inches and weighs 2.7 kilograms. It can also be recharged in 3 different ways. First by the solar panel, which is sold separately, or it can be plugged into the wall outlet or a car outlet. And the pure sine wave power inverter offers clean power to your sensitive devices. Let's take a look at a fantastic review by KC Martel, a verified purchaser, called Much Better Choice Than a Traditional Inverter. I travel full-time in a travel trailer, and friends have been trying to convince me to set up an inverter to run my TV to the house batteries. I've been very hesitant because I don't need to run much, but I like having the option of being able to watch TV without the generator on. Been using this one for the past 2.5 weeks, and it's been running the TV great. Usually I fall asleep before the battery is used up. I was able to calculate that it ran my 40 watt 24 inch Samsung LED TV for 7.5 hours, starting from a full charge. It also added an update. Great all year, no issues at all. I reached out to Rockpals when I realized I didn't get one of the adapters with my order, and they sent it to me right away, no questions asked. Great product, great customer service, highly recommended. Well, there you go folks, order yours today. It's available on Amazon Prime, which means free shipping and free delivery. So order yours today, you're gonna love it.